How to set permissions for shared files in OneDrive. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to set permissions when sharing files, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, make sure you are logged in with your Microsoft account. Now find the file or folder. Navigate to the file or folder you want to share. Then tap the three dots next to the item. Just right here, select it. Then tap on to share right here, tap on it. Then here you can find the link settings option. Now tap on it. Now from here, you can simply set the permission to simply share the link. Now tap onto this button right here, select it. Now to get this feature, you need to go premium onto this OneDrive application. And after doing that, you can simply access anyone with the link. And after doing that, you can simply set your sharing permissions for who can access the file or folder, and you can simply give the permission as well. And that's it. This is how you can set permissions for shared files in OneDrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.